SmartCut Quote has recently introduced several updates to make quoting faster, clearer, and more flexible. A key new feature is SmartCAD, a built-in 2D CAD creator. This allows you to create parametric 2D profiles directly within SmartCut Quote. It is ideal for quickly generating a quote when a customer has not sent a DXF file. With SmartCAD, you can define basic geometry and proceed with costing without relying on external CAD software. The summary page has been improved to give more visibility into how each quote is calculated. It now includes a clear breakdown of material costs, cutting charges, and any additional costs associated with the job. This helps you present a more transparent and professional quote to your customers. Responding to popular demand, the software can now automatically create part labels once a quote is accepted. Each part listed in the quote gets a label, saving time during production setup and helping keep things organized on the shop floor. Another enhancement is with 3D step file import. Material data from imported sheet metal parts can now be pulled directly into SmartQuote's costing engine, streamlining the quoting process for 3D files and reducing work. SmartCut Quote now allows you to customize the band colors used in your quotes and reports, making it easier to align your documents with your company's branding. Whether you want to match your logo colors, use specific shades for internal clarity, or present a more professional look to your customers, this new option gives you greater control over how your reports appear. It's a simple yet effective way to reinforce your brand identity every time you send a quote or summary report. Coming next quarter. We are currently testing a new 2D editor that includes rotate, trim, extend, scale, and more editing functions. Support for PDF imports is also on the way, along with more advanced quoting tools such as automatic bend cost calculations and the ability to add drilling or tapping operations directly within the quote. More updates to follow as we continue refining SmartCut Quote based on your feedback.